Yung part 2 ng basic parts. Let's start dito sa operators kung saan tayo we last left. Operators are basically yung mathematical or logical manipulations natin. We have assignment, arithmetic, compound, and relational and logical. Sa assignment naman is basically this equal sign. You're just assigning something sa ano mo, sa variable mo. Like, you're assigning a value to your variable. Yun na yun. Sa arithmetic naman, we have the basic operators like plus, minus, divide. Katulad dito sa expression, we can use it to like 100 plus 30 equals like ganyan. Yun na yun. Is dito naman sa operator precedence specifies the order of operations. Basically, kapag ito, makikita mo siya sa mga ano natin. Magagamit mo to kapag may formula ka na ginagamit. Tulad din tong ano, sa Fahrenheit formula. As you can see, ito yung original na formula. And then, kung gagawin mo siyang expression sa C++, it should look like this. Itong nasa code natin. May parenthesis, asterisk, tapos may plus pa. Para hibalay-hibalay. Basically, parang ano ka lang ng math. You're solving a math problem. Ganun lang siya. Dito naman sa compound operators is mostly ang ginagamit dito is kapag meron kang variable. Kumari, dito. We have balance and lagay natin, for example, tong plus and equals. Mali. Plus and equals deposit. And then, you're just basically, imbes na gawin na nasa gitna or nasa like inside the equal sign yung operator. Parang nasa gitna siya. Parang like this. Example na to. Then, para makita mo yung value niya, we have to simply ilabas siya by doing this. See out balance and then okay, insertion operator and then balance. Pag i-apply natin siya, it should be 130. Ayun. Basically, sinolve niya using this code. Yun lang. Tapos, same goes with the plus, minus, divide. Ganun lang siya. And you can even add ganito. Kapag kumari, you have a formula here and then you have to times it to a specific variable. You can use compound operators. We have increment, decrement. Basically, parang ano lang siya, shorthand code lang siya para sa x equals x plus 1. We have the plus plus and ano to? Decrement and increment. Para siyang pinag-iksi na version ng gantong code. Basically, kapag may plus, plus 1. Kapag minus, minus 1. Ganun lang. Excuse me. Anyways, ano, bigyan natin ng example to. Katulad dito, we have x equals 2. And then, gamitin natin tong increment operator natin. Then, kapag nirun natin, ayun, oh my gosh. Tignan natin ulit. It should look like x equals to. Same as kung ano ang result dito. Ganun lang. Yeah. Nakalagay dito na yung value of A will not be increased before the assignment. Dito naman, line 1, value of A plus plus is chug chug. Ayun, 21. Kasi nakalagay dito A is equals to 21. Line 2, value of A is chugug chugug. After expression value of A is increased, doon na siya mag-i-increase. Sa second line. Pagdating naman ng third line, i-increase ulit siya ng isa. So, bale, 21 plus 1, douche. Tapos kapag plus plus A naman, ay, okay, scrap what I've said doon sa line 3. Anyways, dito naman sa, plus plus A, yung value of A will be increased before the assignment. So, nag plus 1 na siya dito mismo sa line na to. Kaya labas niya 23. Hindi katulad dito sa natin, A++ na 21 pa rin yung result niya. Doon siya sa second line, naging 22 nag plus 1. Makikita mo dito na yung C is equals to A++. Ayun. Ito na yung result niya, 21. And then, sa second line naman, si A naman ang hinanap niya. So, dahil nga nag-increase ng 1, magiging 22. Dito naman sa relational operators, ginagamit siya mostly sa Boolean, sa true or false. Na, for example, is itong equal, meaning niyan dapat same or equal to. Is not equal, less than, greater than, less than, and equal to, greater than, or equal to, ganon. We have an example here. 5 is equal to 1, false, so 0. 5 is greater or equal to 1, true. 5 is not 1, true. 5 plus 10 is 15, and 3 times 5 is 15. 15, 15, true. Sa logical operator naman, we have the and, or, and not. Dito naman, example dito is, natin siya ng example here. And end. Age is equals to 25. And height. Height is equal to 5. Gawa tayo ng logical operator. If age is equal to or lagay natin greater than or equal to 15, gamitin natin yung logical operator and, which is dalawang ganon, and then height is equal to 5, let's say. If nag-true ang both condition natin, mag-see out siya ng yes. Galing. Yan. And then, what else? If hindi, see out siya ng Oh no. Yan. Since we have 25 and 5 here, pag nirun natin siya, oops, wala siyang semicolon. Ayan. Ay, nakita ko na yung problem ko kanina. Is, iisa lang pala yung equal sign ko kaya ayaw niya gumana. Anyways, let's, give this and, logical and, a try. We have age is equal to 25 and height is equal to 5. And kung iaano natin siya sa if statement is if yung age natin is greater or equal to 15 and our height is equal to 5, it will see out yes galing. Kapag hindi naman, oh no, ayan. So, nag-yes galing siya. Kasi true siya here and here. Pero kapag inaba natin 'to and kapag pinlay natin, it will run as, "Oh no." Even though mataas ang 25 and pasok siya here, naka-logical and tayo. Dapat both true ang statement. Pero sa case naman ni logical or, ganito siya. If one of the condition is true, magtu-true siya. Kapag kapag false naman yung other one, magtu-true pa rin siya. Basta may iisang true sa logical or. Sa logical not naman is, ano, have to put it, oh my god. Yun. Nag-logical not tayo here and lagay ko siyang parenthesis kasi ito dapat ang kanyang syntax. Ayan, nag-yes galing siya kasi even though nag-logical end tayo, binaliktad niya ang result nito. Yun ang ginagawa ni logical not. Basically, binabaliktad niya yung outcome nito. So, even though nag-false siya, since may logical not, magto-true siya. Kaya nag-yes galing ang output. Ayan, false, 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 ay false, true. Ito yung, ano, kanyang resulta sa logical operators natin. Ito naman sa bytes and bits. Anyways, dito sa part na to, I am not sure kung ano to. I haven't been taught this. Pero itong conditional operator, ano siya, same as Boolean and gantong format. Pero para siyang pinaiksi. Lagyan natin ng example. Ano yung condition? Ito lalabas kapag true, ito lalabas kapag false. So, condition natin na mm, age is less than and equal to 25, lalabas natin is galing mo. Tapos kapag hindi, ngek, yan, bangis. Try natin kasi di ako masyado nagamit ng conditional operator. Ayun nga. I am not familiar sa conditional operator. Ayun na nga. I don't know this. Gamitin na lang natin itong example. Kasi ako nagko-conditional operator, mas bet ko yung if and else. Example natin is 7 is equals to 5. Hindi, gayahin na lang natin yung code. E is equals to 7. Gulo naman pag nakaganito. And then C is equals to A greater than B. And then question mark A and then B. 2. Me? Ah, huh? Ba't gano'n? Ba't gano'n? Ginaya ko siya. Ginaya ko siya and then we have this. Agay, ayun pala, it's not assigned. Okay. Start ulit tayo. Ayun, 7 ang lumabas. Basta ang nakalagay dito sa A, ito yung true. Sa B, lalabas yung false. Kapag false. Or yung shorthand, siya? Shorthand, if and else. Ganun. And then, yun lang.